Hey everyone, so 8 months ago I promised an interactive manual for Vorons. This is what I had at the time, just as a short demo of the project, what this could look like. Of course, the plan at that point was to have this interactive on a website, and this was just a video pre-rendered in Blender. So this isn't interactive, this isn't modular, and yeah, there are mistakes in this video. So what I have currently is something like this. This is the manual for the Stealthburner made animated on a website. You can go to this link and check it out yourself. For now, this doesn't have any of the interactive parts, so what I would like to have is you would be able to click on any of the parts in the scene and get the STL or more details about the part, in case you're not sure what that is. That was one of the issues I had with the manual. There's really no sense of like what this part even is, but you would be able to click on it and get details of it. And as you can see, this is animating, and this is of course real-time in your browser. This is made in 3JS and Svelte, and this is the whole printer. There's not the whole printer, just a Stealthburner. Of course, there's so far there's no cabling, no wiring, but all the printed parts, all the inserts, bearings, everything is there. Let's forward this just to see the end result. Of course, the advantage of this is that you can move around in the scene as it's animating. You can, for example, just check out when this little screw actually goes, in case you won't be able to see that from another angle. It's not great. This needs to be eye directed, and the models need to be improved. Lots of work to do still, but again, I would like to gauge the interest in something like this. Maybe for the whole printer. That's the plan currently, but I'm not sure if it's worth doing. And that's the end of the video. So here it is, the whole thing. Okay, thanks for watching.